distractions get in the way. When life gets busy, self-care is often moved to the bottom of our to-do list, especially when there are other important tasks that need to be completed. And so that's why it's so important to kind of build that self-care in, and we'll talk about that soon. Another reason we have barriers is change isn't easy. To incorporate self-care and make it a regular practice, some people will need to make changes. This can be a challenge. Our brain likes for things to stay the same, even when that sameness doesn't benefit us. And so it can be, difficult and take a lot of effort to make that change. That's why we go slow and do little changes at a time. Also, sometimes there's a lack of understanding. A lot of people think self-care is just frivolous spending and a luxury experience, and this is just not true. If people don't understand that self-care isn't about spending money, they're less likely to practice it regularly. And so it's building that understanding and getting that education, like being here today, to learn what self-care really is all about. Workplace culture can be a barrier. In some workplaces, there's a stigma that self-care is selfish. While that's not the case, it often leads people to see self-care as a stressor because of the way it is viewed by their colleagues. If this is the culture in your workplace, ask yourself who this culture is benefiting. It's usually the people way at the top. And then lastly, there's a lack of